Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find account login and server on JustMarkets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to justmarkets.com and sign into your account. Then from here, we need to go to our dashboard. Now, on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. We want to go ahead and click onto My Accounts tab. Then from here on the right, we want to go ahead and check out this account. So we've got real, demo, or archive. So with this one here, you want to go ahead and click on the three dots of your account here. Then from here, we want to go ahead and tap on account information. Now from here, we'll be able to see our account number and MT5 login. So we can copy that. And also we can find our server here. And now you can check out the leverage, account currency, balance you currently got, equity, and free margin. So that's how to find your account login and server on JustMarkets.